trying to get free. Throw it in the corner. Brown fakes, fires up the three. Bang!
Okay. Magandang topic po to mga Wayungaw boys and guys. Sabi ni Lebron, kung baga, takot daw mga coaches mag-foul sa ganyan na sitwasyon. In other words, any given day, pa-foul siya. Kung tingnan natin ulit, una, pag-receive ni Brown, kung i-foul mo yon, 3 free throws yun, no? Balik natin, or 4.
Jaylen Brown knocks down the three.
Dito kasi may
Game is
replay.
tied with 5.7 remaining.
The only thing that could
Ito, replay.
hurt you is a three. You see a lot of guys guarding inside.
Now, pag-receive ni Brown, kung i-foul mo yan, delikado pa ma-foul counted 3-point shot. So, never foul on that situation. Sorry, I beg to disagree. Old school na natutunan ko, no foul, definitely no foul. Yan yung ituturo ko ngayon. Again and again, tingnan mo itong si Brown, catch and shoot na siya eh.
The three wide.
Paano mo yan i-foul? So,
Then you're a little bit late to close. Still a contest, JJ.
kung i-foul mo yan, ano yan eh, going, set na yung receive na ng tama, yung sa kamay, set na lahat eh. Upward motion na yan. So, if you duty foul yan, 3 free throws yan. Delikado also, kahit hindi milagro na lang mag 3-point play, 3+1, pero 3 free throws, wala na. Paano pag ma-shoot yung kahit 2 or 3 overtime? Ang punto is kung 2 tapos matip in kasi nasa Boston na ring na siya. So wala. Daming scenarios na matatalo ka. Just like what happened sa Lakers na nanalo famous Robert Horry na 3 points. Free throw yata yun ni Kobe. Tapos natapik ni Shaq palabas. Doon na-receive ng open ni Robert Horry. Kaya talo ang Kings. Ang point niyan is never foul because ang ring na isushoot, ring ng Boston Celtics or na kalaban. So nilapit mo tinaas mo yung risk. Whereas, etong ginawa, walang foul, yun yung sabi, live and die with the 3-point shot. It's just a missed away. Pag na-offensive rebound yan, wala na. Kung na-shoot yung free throws, kahit isa lang, wala na. Next to impossible na matalo. So anyways, gusto ko rin patuloy is yung i-dissect natin ba't nangyari to. So balik tayo konti. Balik. Okay? Para sa akin kasi itong si number 9 eh. And even si Shakam, dyan ang talagang cardinal sin sa depensa. Yung tinatawag na ball human or man-u ball. Okay? Remember coaches, I've been emphasizing this lately over and over again sa mga seminars ko. Yung mga coaches na gusto matuto or gumaling yung basketball niya. Old school na rin to, pero pinabayaan na nowadays. Same with proper box outing or box out. Ball human, always see the ball, see your man. So tingnan mo si number 9 at saka si Shakam. Nag-ball human ba sila, yung defensive stance nila? Nakaanggulo ba sa inbounder na baseline si Holiday or tinalikuran nila? Tingnan nyo ha. Yan, si number 9. Nakatalikod. Si Shakam nakatalikod. Tapos yun, ibalik natin konti. Communication rin. For me, kasi yun na nangyari, naipit na si Shakam, dapat nag-switch, sabi ni number 9, sa akin na tong baseline, sa iyo na to si Green siguro tong kalbo, sa Boston. Kasi brown yun eh, green and brown. So balik tayo. Balik natin.
Trying to get free.
Balik natin konti. Makita tingnan nyo ha. Si number 9, nakatalikod, Shakam nakatalikod. Even itong nagbabantay ni Horford yata, nakatalikod. Buti na lang tong inbounder na depensa. naka-ball, tapos help defense, naka-ball human, kumbaga. Supposed to be, tama yan na stance kasi bola, side na angle kay Holiday, tapos kung may cut dito kay Horford na side, makuha niya, sabi sa'yo ng salo. So again, tingnan nyo sa number 9 sa Siakam, nakatalikod, unti-unti.
Tatum trying to get
Now,
free.
yan, dapat balik konti last. Ito, dapat, yan na ang what had transpired. Dapat, sabi na number 9, switch sa tayo. Okay, hindi klaro. Yan, no? Dapat, yan, kasi nag-go baseline na si 3-point shooter Brown, no? Dapat switch na yan kasi naipit na si Shaq.
Tatum trying to get free. Throwing in the corner. Brown fakes, fires up the three. Bang!
So,
Jaylen
yan.
Brown knocks down the three to tie
Very,
the game.
to the smallest details, or detalye, to the smallest detail counts. So, balik tayo sa main topic. Sabi ni Lebron, foul daw any given day. Sorry, but tingnan mo yan. Na-receive na ni Brown. Once you foul that, 3-point play na yan. Maling-mali yan. It's going to be a stupid play. Fouling, lamang kayo ng 3 points, tapos ipa-foul nyo ng kumbaga pa 3 free throws. So, salamat way hungaw boys and guys. Comment lang kayo dyan kung nagustuhan nyo, at kahit hindi nyo nagustuhan, please like and share para maging more bright tayo sa basketball. Walang personalan, no hate, pure analysis, pure basketball. Anong tama, anong mali, sa side ko or sa side namin. Iba-iba naman tayo ng interpretasyon. Basta ito, nakuha ko rin sa old school na mga doktrina at coaches. Kumbaga pa, tested and proven. Never foul. Lalo na ngayon, galing na ng mga nagfe-free throw, mga plays na mga tip-ins, and so on and so forth. Tapos, may review pa, may timeouts pa, and so on and so forth. So, yung kung ka-Derek Fisher nga na 0.3 yato na 0.4 panalo pa. So very sensitive and very delikado yung kaya dapat solid yung tinuturo natin, lalo na as coaches, para lalong mag-improve ang basketball natin. Salamat again. God bless. And kudos to Brown, na-shoot niya talaga. Hirap yun. Ay, meron pa last. Yun yung tanong, ba't nasa puwet doon nakahawak yung mga kamay ni Siakam? At least tinaas niya yon, big difference. So again, very small detail, kahit vertical lang, wala sigurong foul yun. Especially yung katawan niya, hindi naka-incline or ano ba tawag nito? Sa Bisaya niyan is nakadikit. Tagalog na yata rin yan eh. As long as pure vertical lang nakataas, respeto lang ng dipinsa, evading the foul, kumbaga. So, yan. Kaya, instead, pera, naging bayong pa. Yan ang tawag na panalo na biglang olats. Kaya, no harm in listening and asking and learning if may doubt kayo or may reaction kayo. Salamat. Please like and share again. God bless lahat. Mabuhay ang Philippine basketball. Thank you. Love you.